I've been traveling for a living for the last 7 years, and I'm scared shitless, excuse my language, of flying, and I fly every single week to a different state. This time I'm going to try driving without actually having to work.
But I'll be working.
She'll be working.
He's gonna work. I'm gonna make him help me.
Shh.
Hello. Oh, testing.
Snap, snap, snap.
So next we'll test the Instagram camera. Let's see which one's the best. This is us. That's my face.
Now, pretty bites.
But this card doesn't have much space inside of it, so the camera's right in our face.
This is a small car.
Hi guys. Here's a quick intro. I'm Yegi. This is
Gary.
Gary-o. I'm too excited. Where's the camera? I'm looking in the right place.
Looking?
You have to look right there in that hole. Don't look at my pretty eyes. Look in the hole.
I have the pretty eyes in this relationship.
Yeah. What was I gonna say?
I don't know.
We just parked in the parking lot for the very first time to an RV show. I found a way to hit the road for 9 months to a year to tour the United States, almost every state. Almost. It's like state, country. Okay. As you can tell, English is my second language, so you may hear.
Third. Language is better.
Yeah. I am the owner of Yegi Lashes, Yegi Beauty. We specialize in eyelash extensions, and I go around and I train people. I certify them. But we also have our own product line, so we do sell and ship out worldwide. We're also going to make it half fun, half business, to be able to tour on business for eyelashes, to be able to still make money while we travel. It is something I dreamt of doing, and I feel like right now I finally have a big enough team that I can really count on to do this stuff back home or virtually with me while I go around spreading the brand and also traveling, making this one-time dream, traveling all the states in the United States with my baby boo right there.
And I'm just quitting my job and going with the flow.
Well, that's what brings us here, yeah. So, see, I need to get to the point. That's why we're in the parking lot right now. We just entered
Pomona Fairplex.
Pomona whatever he said. And we're parked here to check out RVs. And this is technically going to be my home or our home for 9 months to a year. So we need to make sure this is going to work.
This is also testing a relationship. If we can make it in an RV, we can make it for life.
Yeah,
let's check these things out instead of sitting in the car, cramped up, ducking. Let's go check out some RVs and get a little bit roomier.
I just really want to go see the RVs.
Yes.
Babe, this is important.
This is important too.
So I'm just going to keep talking.
She has no idea what she's getting into yet.
Oh, shoot. You didn't tell enough about you and all your stuff.
My name is Gary. I'm the lovely man in her relationship. I go with the flow. I am quitting my job currently because I'm over it. I've been traveling for a living for the last 7 years, and I'm scared shitless, excuse my language, of flying, and I fly every single week to a different state. This time I'm going to try driving without actually having to work. She'll be working.
He's gonna work. I'm gonna make him help me.
Shh. I'll help her a little bit here and there.
He's gonna do all the driving.
I'm gonna be a glorified Uber driver. Currently, we're here checking out some RVs. We have zero experience, zero knowledge. We really don't know what we're looking for.
My hand's getting tired.
Hi again. She wants me to keep recording and recording and recording. My new hobby is my relationship. So a little about us. We've been together for over 3 years now. She's madly in love with me, and I think she's cool. So we get along.
He's alright too. He's alright.
I
like him for his bun.
My bun. I want to cut it. She wants me to keep growing it, like my beard.
Every man needs a beard.
Everybody needs a beard.
Yeah.
Ooh, maybe we can do this about growing my beard for the next year.
No. It's good. It's good where it's at. Okay, more about you.
Okay. I am 37. I'm an amazing human being. I'm charming. I'm easygoing.
Don't brag about
Sorry, ladies. I'm taken at the current moment. We never know down the line.
Of course he's going to say that while
a little further out. There we go. I got pearly whites, that's what she's trying to record. And amazing green hazel eyes, look at those.
I didn't say give me your pro list.
There we go.
What are the cons?
Little higher. Ooh, that's my nipples.
What are the cons?
The cons, I have no cons. Oh, my bathroom situation. So we gotta find an RV that I'm actually comfortable pooping in, because I'm very ladder shy, I guess you can say. I won't use a public restroom. And I think there's a lot of people out there like me.
Oh, and even if it's me that he's known for 3 years, if we're in the same house,
nope, she's getting kicked out.
Yep. Or it needs to be very, very far away, like on the other end of the house.
It's
and
not
he needs
because I
to turn
make
on music
or anything like that. I just like my peace and quiet. And
yeah, that's what he says.
All to mix without a noise. And I like Zen out. It's my motivation, not motivation, meditation zone.
Men in their bathroom. I'm in a porta potty already at the RV show. And it smells and it's nasty. There's like no room in here, and I'm scared to move to touch anything.
I'm so confused. We just left the RV show, first time ever. Looked at some model, well, Class C's. That was our intention. I was going with the intention of 22, 24, maybe maximum 27 foot Class C's. These darn salesmen, I swear, they keep showing you stuff.
Mind you, if you guys have no idea what these words mean, I was right on the same boat with you, but I did ask them like 800 questions.
Class C is like driving a normal car with a house behind you, I guess you could say.
So it's like the front of the RV, like the drivable RV.
Feels like a pickup.
Yeah, the front of the drivable RV is actually like a car. It's smaller, the front.
Class A is like a house with an amazing view, with a nice porch. No,
it's more like the front of it is like a bus.
Class A just looks intimidating because it's not your typical car. It just looks big, it feels big. Next is to test drive these suckers before we're actually considering getting it, because it's intimidating. I'm so confused.
Honestly, we're so overwhelmed. There's so many options, and they all, hold on, I could just flip the camera. They all pretty much look the same, but they're so different. Especially after looking at so many, it gets so confusing. Like, you really don't know which one to get, what's good, what's not good.
We are down to 3 brands. Jayco being the Class A, Winnebago, and Thor. We shall decide, but we did see some crazy ones for like 400,000. Like, these things had washer dryers in them.
Oh yeah.
2 bathrooms. Like, dude,
we can't afford that.
But the affording part,
maybe someday.
That's a house on wheels.
But yeah, so we still need to do a lot more research, do a lot more narrowing down. So be prepared to do maybe some research before you're gonna consider doing this online.
We were not prepared.
Yeah, we're not prepared. We did no research, no nothing. So before you're gonna do it, maybe do some research, narrow down a little bit, so when you do go to the show, you're not so confused. And ask questions to all the workers. I mean, some of them kind of were annoyed with me because I kept on asking stupid questions.
Best advice we got were actually from people looking at them that had some experience.
Oh yeah.
Better than the salesmen themselves.
Yeah. So, but one thing I know for sure is that I want to be comfortable in it while we're driving, because I'm going to be in the back of that working, doing all that stuff while he's driving. And
I want to be comfortable and not intimidated driving.
Yeah.
So we're torn.
So that's what's really important to me personally. I want to be able to, still do everything while he's driving in the back, so I can get a lot of work done and do all of that stuff. So that's where we're at so far. It's our first visit. Very, very tired, overwhelmed. Our energies are dying out.
We will be back possibly tomorrow or the next day to check out a few more. Well, definitely to check out more, because we only did about 2 hours, because we spent 2 hours.
Shut up!
2 hours.
I was hungry and I wanted ice cream after, but whatever. Yeah, so definitely you need to devote time to do research, and I think I'm gonna go home tonight or before next time we come and just kind of read some blogs and do some research and narrow down some options before we continue looking. But so far, very confused.
Bye-bye.
One of our first stages of planning what RV we should get that would be right for us without giving us issues or problems on the road. We're trying to avoid any issues. I'm sure we're still gonna have a lot of issues, but I'm trying to avoid any issues we can. So we're doing research, watching other videos, and learning and taking notes in my cute little planner. And
but
having
the more we watch, the more confused we get.
yeah, that's true. And we're having a drink, having hookah, trying to enjoy the process, really living by our new beliefs of slowing down and enjoying life. This is my little office.
Hang them up outside and they dry really fast. And that's how we do our laundry.
Not happy.
Burned out. Tired of this whole RV.
I don't want to hear another RV comment anymore. I'm done. I'm really so sick of it. We're finally getting close. We picked what we wanted. We couldn't get the deal we wanted. And at the end, they got greedy. Instead of going down on the price, they went up on the price. So we came home again without buying one. So I'm pissed. So, but tomorrow's the last day of the RV show.
Hopefully they call us and accept our offer.
Yeah, so I'm hoping they call us and give us the deal we want, because I'm done. I can't do any more research. Not even research. I don't know. I'm tired. This is a tiring process. It's like shopping for a house plus shopping for a car, but somewhere in between those two, because it's kind of a house on wheels. So, but not exactly the same process of either, but kind of the same annoying process as shopping for both or either. So yeah, just the reality of it. It can take some time to find the right RV and the right deal. The right deal. All right, bye guys. I'm so sick of RVs. We are on our way to pick up the RV. See, they look hazel. Guys, don't they look hazel? They do not look brown. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, yours is like green, but mine's like
poop. It's okay.
Can you guys be on my side? Well, I need a fill for my eyelashes, but those don't look brown. Okay, bye.